Hello guys, today we are doing paper 2014 October November. This is winter paper. Uh, Now in this we are solving.
These my daughters make it hurt.
Using a suitable database package, import the file n14 input.csv. The min stock field is not required. Make sure currency is in euros with the 2 decimal places. Okay, this part we will do first. Okay, now let's go to the folder. We have to go where? We have to go to MS Access. Open MS Access first. The software. Create one database. It's just started with some default name as a database 10. Okay, then else we can give name as well if you want to save in our the folder. Even we can save that. Okay, now let's go back just to close this. Okay, now here external data, new data source, from file, text file, and browse from here, where you have to browse to your folder where our file this is stored. Fine, even in your system, just browse through all these folders to reach this paper 2 2014. That's winter paper. Yeah, this is the one to open. Next, yeah, this is the data. I guess it's so much data. Okay, next, first row contains field names. Next, see, when you get here dark like this, just click advanced. Here we are going to set the data types. Field names and data types are displayed. So as per the question paper, we are going to set. So make this till connection, it's just text. Till connection, it's just short text, short text, short text, and short text. And what about the buttons? Buttons, here to see there is a one min stock field is not required. Okay, that we have to work on. We should not skip this and forget that. Okay, now let's go. Buttons is a numeric. Programmable is a boolean. Gaming is also boolean. So buttons is a numeric. Just click integer. Okay, numeric we have an integer, and programmable is a boolean. Boolean it's a yes no, and gaming as well it's yes no. And next is cost price, currency, stock, reorder, notes. This cost price is a currency. Let's take that first. Okay, then stock is nothing but what? Stock is nothing but numeric and numeric. Both of them are numeric. Okay, that's an integer. Now here min stock, but this is not required. This is not required at all. For that, what we can do, here there is a skip. You see there, skip column. Just check that. Fine. So this won't be added in our database along with other columns. Okay, this is what we did. Now reorder is an integer, and notes is a text or memo. Memo is a data type where it takes long text. Okay, a lot of lines of text. Fine, single line text or single one word is for the short text. Okay, so you have a very long line or you have multiple lines of text, we have to go for a memo, or but here we have in this list, it is called long text. Long text. Okay, done. Now next, primary key, is there any mention about it? This whole thing with it. You may add another field as a primary key field. if your software requires this. No, our software doesn't require. It's quite a Windows 10 software, so it doesn't need all that. See, even if you have something idea like this, just click no primary key. That will also be removed. Okay, next. Yeah, we're gonna finish this. Close. Now here we got the table. Yeah, this is so much data. Okay, notes, I guess it's too much. Fine. Now what's next we have to do? Please screenshot evidence of the field names and data types used in your evidence document. Fine. Field names that we have to show. Come over here. See, here we have to work on these fields which are being displayed like a checkbox, and here is a price. It's in dollars. We want in euros in two decimal places. So let's set this first. Now go to home, view, design. Now here you see currency. Format is euro, and the decimal places are 2. Okay, now let's take the screenshot of this. Fine. Press print screen button, crop till the bottom, and copy. Fine. Now just save the work and go back. We have to paste that in evidence, right? Okay, evidence. We don't have an evidence. We have to create a Word file by ourselves. Yes, let's create one for us right now. Here is the one, and as usual we have to enter details, insert, header, 3 columns. Here, as you know, always we just take what? These 3 details. Candidate number. Okay. Next. So here is of MS Access, or you can type in data manipulation. Okay, the first screenshot of this, you can just paste this. Okay, they told us to create evidence file by ourselves. It's given in the beginning. Okay, now let's go back to the question. This is done. We have to work on these checkbox type, right? So what we do, just here select and go to the table fields, and yes, no, we have changed that to short text. Gaming as well, change that to short text. Okay, now we can see that a sensible data. Next, insert these 2 records. Okay, now let's just copy paste. In the real exam, you will have the hard copy in your hand. You have to type in looking at the details over there. So yeah, you must be very careful about the spelling and the errors, other errors you do. Fine. So hope you take care of it. Now just it's very easy for me and even for you to just copy paste all this. Now let's do it fast. Go to the bottom. Yeah, here, sorry, here is the one. Next, rat something. See this dots and all and capital letters and all, be careful. Okay, there is no features. Wired, here also wired. I'll do fast like this. To no, no, yes, no. Okay, here wired, and down also wired. And here is a 2. This is no, bottom also no, sorry, small o. Now this is yes and this is no. Okay, what else? 62.35, 33.99. Here 62.35 and 33.99. Next 9455. This is 9, 4, 5 and 5. And here in the beginning we have, don't miss that, eclipse. And here something, what's that? Touch mouse. Okay, this feature is no information at all. Okay, this is done. Just save it once. Now let's get back to the question. Check for errors and save the data. Fine. The company needs to reorder input devices that are getting low on stock. Items are reordered when below a minimum stock level and the reorder quantity is used to place the order. So whenever the quantity goes low, they do reorder and the minimum stock level below the minimum stock level. Okay, the reorder they place. Okay, now let's move to the next. Produce a report which contains a new field. Okay, report they asked, so we have to create a query for it. Now let me prepare the page for it. Yes, here one more time, save and close. Now create query, design, take and close. Now let's start. Where is that? Yeah, shows all specified fields and their labels in full. Did not display the notes field. No displaying of notes field, but rest all needed. Okay, just keep on double clicking every column over here. After buttons, programmable, gaming, cost price, stock, reorder. Notes is not needed. Okay, so we will skip it. Fine. Next, here it contains a new field called item value. I'll copy this because it got an underscore and all. We just calculate runtime. This field will calculate the cost price multiplied by reorder field. Okay, here at last I have to move to the last. Here, paste what you brought, then give one colon. Okay, 2 dots. Fine, colon it is. Open square bracket. Now cost price we have to type in. Okay, we cannot select cost price, close this square bracket, into shift 8. Then now what is the other one? Again you have to start square bracket. And what is this other one? Reorder. Re or capital or der. Close the square bracket, enter. Now whether this calculation is working or not, okay, I have to check it, this one. Fine. And also one more, I guess, one more properties that we have to say to be currency. Okay, we have to set that item value to be currency. Okay, then select, go to property sheet, here under format, click, go down to euro, because they told in the beginning it should be euro, and 2 decimal places automatically set, otherwise we can set later. Fine. So save the work. Here it will ask you for the query name to be saved with what's it, just I'll save it based on the question number 31, Q31. Okay, now just let me run this. I want to see this calculation. Just now I just created myself the formula, whether syntactically, output wise everything is correct. Just I want to check. So for that, just run this. See, click on run. Here is the last one. Here is the one calculation. It is the multiplication or product of cost price and reorder. Cost price into reorder, 5 times of 19.99. 19.99. I can just check in my calculator for just for a second. 19.99 into 5. Exactly. Yes, 99.95. It's rounded off to 2 decimal places. Perfect. Now, what else next? Shows only the records where the number of items in stock is less than 10. Only they want only those records. Now, let's go to design stock. Where is stock? Here is the stock under criteria. It should be less than 10. Okay, save and just run this. Oh, all the records gone. All of you are left. This is what conditioning or constraints we set. Criteria. Okay, next. Shows, okay, these two are done. Fits on a single page. Now, this is a part of report. Fine. So, this I'll save it one more time and close it. Now, I have to go for the report. Right? Create report wizard. I have to pick Q31 and take all the fields. Next. Just next from here. Yeah, any sorting is there. Sorts in ascending order of make, fits on single page, landscape. Okay. Make, ascending order of, see here, ascending order of make. Next. Fits on a single page and it's landscape. And what's next? Calculation is there that will do in the report design view. Okay, has a label of that only calculation. Here is the one title. Okay, so where the wizard open, right there we have to paste it. Just to copy this, the title and paste here and modify the report's design. Yeah, this is my design view of the report. Now just let me see, let me see how it is seen the data. Here it's totally occupying the place, is not there enough place, so we have to adjust all the columns properly like this to fit in, and evenly we have to adjust. Okay, here I guess you can do faster than me, right? Yeah, you will do it. I can't hear anything from you. Yeah, like this. And what is this one? Buttons is totally on. Okay, this one, bring it over here. And programmable. It's no yes values here. And gaming. Here as well. Cost price. Just get it over here. Stock. Here. And reorder this. Reorder, let's adjust that one. Item, little bit more. Hope you're doing faster than me, right? That's great. You're doing with me. Yeah, mine done. I guess I'm faster. Hope so. Okay. It's clearly visible. Everything is perfect for me. Hope you got the same. Now let's go to the question. What else we have to do? Some calculation we have to do. Right? Shows the value of the whole order and shows this value at the bottom of item value. Whole order in the sense we have to add them up. Means summing them, totaling of item value, the values in that column. Format this as a currency, okay, and we have to give a label as well in front of that calculation. I'm just copying this now itself, okay, to the left of this value. So almost we finished this one. Okay, now let's go to the question this and just save it once and go to design. Okay, now where is my, see, this is item value. The second row, you have to see, first row is of the column headings. Second row got the values in it. Okay, so select it, go to totals, sum. You see there at the bottom here. Okay, just open that clearly to see the contents, all the text. Okay, now I have to go for the label in front of this, left of this calculation. Okay, fine. Paste what I brought from question paper. Fine, just align them, both of them, like this. Okay, I guess they ask us to even take a screenshot of it. I guess it's there. Here, place a screenshot. Let's take that first. Okay, then we'll go to a layer and check how it's appearing. Fine, the calculation they want to see, just only the calculation. Okay, now let's take a screen print, and here is the one. Even I'll highlight where my calculation is done, like this. Okay, copy. Now go to evidence, and this evidence should be the second one, right? Just you'll place this. Where is the question number? Where is it going? Yeah, question is here. Now next, sorry, I'll do it later. Saving. Okay, fine. But you have to do saving every time whenever you update the document in the exam, real exam. Now let's go back to Axis, and I want to see how it's appearing in layout view. Here is the one. See there? Just as per the content, the above column values. Yeah, perfect it is. I can just make it a little bit closer to it. Fine. Now, what's more? Has your name, center number, candidate number on the left at the bottom of the report. Left and at the bottom. You see there? See, this is the footer. Bottom in the sense it's a footer. Okay, so in place of this as well, we can type in our details. Fine, they did not ask us for the date. So what we do, just go to design view, and here in this place, just we can delete it totally. Okay, and click for the label, place it there, and type in your details. Center and candidate number. Okay, done. In line with this page number something. Save, and let me just check in layout. Yeah, here exactly. See there? Now what's the next? It's done, and even 32 also done. Save and print this report. Okay, we'll do that definitely. You need to this is a different one. It's a different one. Okay, now we will wind up this part of this axis. Okay, we'll go to the next part. Fine, this you're going to print it. You know how to print it? Yes. Go to file and print in the real exam. Save. Just let me close this. Now, what's next? You need to make labels for some mice selected from all the data and provide notes about their features. Okay, now we are going to create labels. This is a new object of database. So we didn't get like this in summer papers and all. This is the first time we are getting labels. Fine, in winter paper, that is in winter paper. Now let's see how to create labels. Produce a report which, so whenever they say to create a report, we need the query for it. Fine. Now let's go create query design, and this is the one input, close. Now where shows only values, no, shows only fields, make model connection, retail price is here. Okay, it's a new field. And the notes, yeah, now we are taking the notes. Earlier we didn't take, they told us specifically not to take the notes because it's a hell of information in that. Okay, now let's go pick those columns, make, model, features, and here it should be what? Retail price. Just I'll copy that. Okay, copy this, and here is a retail. Oh, what's this? Copy, paste. Now, as usual, the calculation we're going to continue here. Column. Then what's its calculation? Contains a new field called retail price, which is calculated at runtime. This field will calculate the cost price plus 20% of cost price. That's what retail price. Okay, cost price is the original price from manufacturer. Then when it comes to the shop, that will become a retail price. So with their all the extra charges and all, they will make it to the some like a sale price. This is nothing but sales price. Yes, correct. It's sale price. So cost price and sale price. Now 20% to cost price is sale price. Now here it is nothing but retail price. That's in retail shops and all. They sell for more. That's what the price. Okay, 20% of cost price we have to calculate. Now let's come over here. Yes, open a square bracket. Now first I'll take the cost price. Sorry, cost underscore price, close square bracket, plus. It's plus we need here. 20% of cost price. How to calculate 20% of cost price? 20% means 20 by 100. 20% means 20 by 100. So 20 by 100 means what is in decimals? 0.2. Right? It's 0.2. So 0.2 of cost price. 20% of cost price. 0.2 of cost price. So that's what we are going to write here. 0.2 into cost price, again in square bracket. Cost underscore price. Okay. Now just press enter. This calculation is done. I have to check also how this calculation is working, whether output is perfect or not. Okay, that I'll do. First, let me get the notes. I'll just want to enlarge this. Widen this column. Oof. Okay, here I have to take notes. Go to the bottom, notes. Okay, these are the 5 columns for me. Now just save this. Query 1Q. What's the question number? What's the question number? Question number 34. Enter. Okay. Now just run this. Oh, we have to set the currency also for this. Oh, this is so much information. So much. Oh, more than this. Just leave it. Okay, come here. So here, retail price. What is the cost price? I don't know the cost price. Okay, just let me go to design view and just let me get this cost price. but just now I'm going to show for the calculation. Save and come over here. 19.99 and it's 20%. What is 20% of 19.99? It's just I'm going to the calculator. Yes, calculator is here. Calculator. What is opening? Wrong case. Calendar. Yeah, here is the one. What is the cost price? 19.99. 0.2 into 19.99. 19.99 plus again 19.99. What's the total? 23. Yeah, exactly. You see there? Yes, our calculation is perfect. Okay, now just close this. Now I have to set as a currency. Okay, just select this. Go to. What is that? Oh, sorry. Now go to design view, and here just I'll uncheck it. I don't need it. This one. Select here property sheet, format, euro. Okay, close, save, and it's done. Yeah, you can see that. Perfect. Now let's go to the next. Fits on a single page. Now it's enough. Okay. Here is sorted into descending order of retail price. Yeah. Let's add this one as well. It got something more. Shows only wireless or dual connected gaming mice. Wireless or dual. I will just copy the total, including R. Okay. Gaming mice. Gaming. Where is? Let me just go to design. Model, it should be. Yeah, it should be in the model. Okay, paste that and press enter. That's it. Okay, save the work and run. Oh, it's not in gaming. It's not in gaming. I'll remove that. Let me just check in this. Where is my... in which it comes? Features I took. Oh, it should be connections something. Connection. Sorry. Connection view, design view. Let's delete this one. Okay, here I need one. What is that? Gaming connection, and the connection, this one I want it here. Okay, like this, and just save, run. Yeah, here was the one. That's what it was giving error for us. Okay, now let's paste that wired something here under connection and press enter. Save, run. Yeah, see in this column. Next, is sorted into descending order of retail price. Descending, big to small. Big to small. Fine. Retail price. Here it is the sorting. Descending. Save. Yes, all are descended. Highest is at the top and lowest is at the bottom. now is in label format with 2 labels side by side and 8 labels to the page. Okay, it's all about now labels. Fits on a single page wide in portrait layout. Okay, now let me take first label. Okay, this is perfect. Save the work and close it for now. Then the most important, just keep it selected. Keep it selected your query what you saved with Q34. Yes, and now create. Now no report wizard but labels. Here it's showing dimensions having 2 across. Yes, we need 2 across. Next, here just keep the font as it is. We are not changing anything. Next, here is the one. See, those 5 record the columns came over here. So here you see in the question, shows suitable text to identify the fields. So we are supposed to write here suitable text. Suppose make is there. So here we'll type in make. Fine, and then just double click this. See how it came in curly braces. And model, maintain that no indentation. Now third one is connection, then only it looks good as a label. Connection, okay, connection. Now press enter. Retail and retail underscore price, give a space, colon, and then 2 spaces. I'll click this. Next, notes, then notes. Okay, this is done. Next, yeah, we are taking which field would you like to sort? All. Next, now what is the title? Includes the title. See here, copy this, come here, paste. Okay, then modify. Anything more is there? Nothing is there on the wizard itself. Okay, finish. Yeah, this is the label. This is a label. Now let me see. They want 2 labels on every page and 8 labels no, down. Then fits on a single page portrait. Okay, then what else? Yeah, everything is done, and only this part is left. Now just let's adjust this. We have to do some jobs over here to adjust them. Just select all. We need a title as well, right? We need a title up there here. Take a label and just leave like this and place that title here as well. And we have to change the font of it. Font over here, increase to 20 or something. Fine, and center line. Okay, now at the bottom of it, see there, has your name, center number and candidate number at the bottom of each label. Okay, so includes the title at the top of each label. So up and down. Now another label will take. Fine. Where is that? Report design, here it is. Just take a label. Now we have to type in our details. Center, candidate. Okay, save. We can even adjust them having a space. See, they are just sticking to each other. See there? Yes, other one as well. You can just make it up or down. Further down. We'll see in print preview, then we can see clearly how it's seen. Adjust them like this. Fine. Okay, just save the work and just view print preview. Wow. See that. See, this is coming in the center. Our details are there. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. So across 2 and down 4. So total 8 there. You can see that? Or a little bit we can adjust. Find close view design. Here we are. See, all just little bit. Sorry. You can just adjust them like this in the same aligning. It should look good. Okay. Save. Let me just see in print preview. Yeah, now it's not bad. Okay, done. Save the work, close. Now what else we have to do? Save and print this report. Yeah, we're going to do that. Hope this is clear to you. We can, even if you want, you can just format better this label, right? Print preview. Look at that. Also, you can even put it in the left side, this the title and all. It's up to you. Those stuff is for you. Okay, bye.